Sure, it's a calming notion, perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any lies. I've oh, back when I was younger, was told by other youngsters that might as well be solitude.
MOU ini sangat bagus dan harus kita sama-sama apresiasi. Jadi jangan hanya seremonial, jangan setelah ini malah kita pakai. Kalau bisa kita ciptakan kegiatan-kegiatan yang tidak biasa selain dari kegiatan